Hello and welcome to a new MECC Excel Esports video. I will do in quite a second the junior varsity level of the March weekend battle. But first, congratulations MECC, more than 10,500 participants. I think the growth rate is exceptional. And yeah, I hope with a growing audience, with a growing participants number, to also have a growing audience on my channel. But yeah, I will also do it for a single view. So thank you that you are there out there. So yeah, I will jump right into the battle. I have 30 minutes. It's a live solve. I've done the like the case that is like the yeah, the ground base for it. I've done it before, but let's see. Yes, how this will go. Here we are. Instructions. A few questions. How many apples are in each row? Then divided by 2 because it's with these symbols are counting 2 characters. At is written here. Harry has noticed some apples containing worms. How many apples contain worms? So how many W's are in there? So then yeah, it should be fine. Len this minus len substitute. I have also a lambda for this, but I will not use it at the moment. Yeah, we can track it down, solved. So, depending on the trees, Harry Apple Picker sent him apples in either pecks or bushels. These are real agriculture units. Regardless of the source, a peck contains 36 apples, a bushel contains 4 pecks. So, how many? First, I need to know how many bushels are in there. 14 bushels, and a bushel is times 4 times 36. And then I want to add the same for pecks, but here without the multiplication with 4. Yeah. But you know, mathematical basic rules apply to Excel. So is this right? Yes, it's right. Oh, we have a hint. First check the hints in the hint direction. In the hint direction, yes. If we can track it down, we're in here, and in here. Should be fine. Let's go to level 4. Harry makes cider in small batches. His receipt of a batch for 10 apples, 4 cinnamon sticks. The harvest contains 30 bushels and 4 packs. This in apples. How many cinnamon sticks does he need to use? Apples, complete batches. Okay. So first we need the number of apples, but okay, we will do this different. Text before the limiter here times 36 times 4 because it's the number of bushels plus text after. And now pay attention, we need to have both double points times 36. This is the number of apples. Here it's also the number of apples as you can see here. And now we want to divide it by 10. round it down. Is it rounded down? Oh yeah, 900 times 4 is the number of cinnamon sticks needed. As written here in the instructions, and great with this example, the instructions like it. Oh, it's quite a lot. But anyways, Harry's Ciders, Harry's customer order details from December and January are listed in this tab here. Compute the price of each order listed. 1001 is here. Okay. 125 per order. Plus this. Okay. So it's basically a simple XLOOKUP for this in here, returning the number of whatever servings ordered. As you can see here, it's 9,875. And this then 1,250 plus XLOOKUP of this minus 5,000 times 0.1, and this round up or round normally without something to the nearest decimal. Don't need the point here. Yeah, and we can track it down, and we're in the boundaries of the hints. Good. And we also round your answer, it's normal rounding. So how many orders were fulfilled within the date? You can do, for example, an count SUMIF S. Use SUMIF S, guys, please. Criteria is the order date. Yes, I know. Or you can also use here, for example, something with filters or something else. So here, but nothing ordered something ordered on Christmas Eve, but nothing ordered on the 12th of December. Kind of weird, but okay. So level 7. Harry ships his cider to customers in Excel state. Oh, guys, maps. Tell which row the customers are in. Okay. Do I want to use my lambdas? Yeah, use my lambdas. So if you want to have my lambdas, I will link them in the video description, hopefully somewhere. So flatten map. So I flat this. Then I have here the row number and the value. And here I then do an XLOOKUP for cust and the number we are searching for in here, the value column where it's written out, and returning the row. Yeah, and we get to the answer. Check it down, should be fine. And we can go to the bonus questions. Somehow, yeah, 9 minutes, it's okay. Suppose each pack contains 36 apples. How many complete bushels are in levels 1 excluding the example? So round down, sum of this divided by 36 divided by 4, 36 divided by 4, round to the nearest integer 6 bushels. Yeah, could be because here are single apples. Yes. How many total worms did you find in level 2? So, So the question is then, here oh yeah, it's simple because every W is counting as a worm. So it's a sum of level 2. What is the total revenue from all orders submitted prior to 1st of January 2025? We should do, okay. This is the revenue, and we simply, yeah, okay. So it's also a trick. Calculate the revenue directly in the file. This can help sometimes because then I would not need to do this here. So 1014 is given here, 1430, it's right. And then we want to sum filter or sum if s, whatever you prefer. I use here sum filter now. Filter, here the revenue. If this is smaller than date for 2025 1st of January, I think it was. Yes. Okay, should be fine. Largest number of orders received from a single customer. Oh, so by customer, we can use group by number of orders. Okay. Group by customer and use count A. And now sort -2, 11. How many cells in Excel state are not occupied by either Harry or one of the customers? Okay, this is only the field. So there are 12,000. Is this right? 20 times 10. Yeah, 12,050. And now we want to know which is not empty, which are okay. I think trim doesn't do justice here. No. I need to search for some minus length. Some minus length of this here larger than 0. Yeah. 22. So equals minus 22, 1228. Should be fine. Everything checked so far. Control S. And let's load it up into the portal. Choose a file. And let's see how we've done. Huh? Why? No grade? Okay. So I do not know what the grade is, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't know why they've replaced it, but anyways, thank you for your attention. I will also bring up the Varsity edition case. So yeah, hope to see you there. Thank you guys. Bye.